Once again, we back for episode 2. The picture you seen in the thumbnail, it ain't cap. I got my boy Hans here for you.
We about to eat good, bro. What we cooking?
Hey man, we gonna do a Cajun chicken and shrimp buffalo dip. Had me forget about it.
Hey yo, but before we do that,
what?
Can we smoke? We gotta smoke. Come on, bro. We have to smoke. Yeah?
These are the ingredients down here that's gonna help you cook that Cajun chicken and shrimp buffalo dip. We're gonna start off with these boys in the front. Extra virgin olive oil, but we got some hot sauce, ranch dressing, got that garlic powder. Garlic, that Old Bay. We got some salt here, pepper, chicken seasoning, and we got that sweet and smoky. Starting off with that meat.
Daddy, chill.
Deveined shrimp,
Bon
clean.
appetit. Bon appetit.
And this is gonna be the main base right here, y'all. We got some savory rotisserie chicken right here. We're gonna shred this up, take the skin off. Add some of this mozzarella shredded cheese. Now I normally get a block of cheese, but I forgot my cheese grainer, shredder. So we just gonna have to work with pre-grained, pre-shredded. Mozzarella cheese, low moisture.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Sharp cheddar, gotta have a sharp cheddar. And to top it off, y'all, we got that green onions on there. So,
Green onions.
yeah, without further ado, let's get to cooking, man.
Let's get to cooking.
Let's get to cooking. All right, so first things first, y'all. We're gonna take this savory rotisserie chicken here, and we're gonna shred this up in a bowl, y'all. I already know everybody talking in the comments. Yes, my hands are clean. I just left my gloves at the crib. But we're gonna take this rotisserie chicken, shred it up, separate the bones from the skin and the fat, keep the rotisserie chicken, and it should look like this. I see you came back to join us, brother.
Yeah, I had to come back. I had to go take a smoke break.
Yeah, I'm
You know
pretty
me,
sure.
I gotta stay faded all day.
All day.
Especially with this meal.
Yeah.
Come on,
Now,
all right?
what you didn't miss, but the viewers didn't miss, is I didn't got the rotisserie chicken. I didn't shredded it up. So now that's sitting on the side. So now we got this shrimp. Because it's Cajun chicken and shrimp. Yeah, so now,
Let's lube it all up. There you go.
whoa. Now it's time to season up this shrimp, y'all. We're gonna start off with some hot sauce. I chose generic hot sauce, but whatever is your preference, it doesn't matter. You wanna mix all of that up. And just because I pour the extra, it doesn't, you don't have to, but I like things a little bit more spicier. So the seasonings, we use that sweet and savory, the Old Bay and that garlic powder. You take all that, mix that all up together, and you're gonna have a bowl smelling like seafood greatness. Take that, transition over to the stove, dump that shrimp in there. The stove was on some extra moose wing type of shit. So it took a little minute for it to heat up, but then we start getting things cooking. You see that smoke sizzling, son. Camera zooms into pan, dripping that sauce. Now right here we got the shrimp and we got that shredded up chicken that we did earlier, mixed all together in a pan. Yes, in a pan, because I'm gonna put this pan in the oven. I used 1.5 blocks of sour cream. You don't have to use that much, but hey, you only live once. So I said, why not? Yippee-ki-yay, Trey Songz, I'ma dive in. All right, so now you got your block of sour cream in there. You wanna mix all of that up, man. You wanna mix all of that up. Everything has to stay consistent. Mix all of that up with that shrimp and that shredded chicken. Take some ranch, pour a little bit of that in there. Mix all of that up. I know in your eyes you're like, ugh, that look like tuna. But no, sweetheart, or sir, or whatever you want to be called. That is a whole pot full of greatness. Now, I then took some of that hot sauce, added that in there, mixing everything up. Make sure everything stay consistent, because consistent is just key. Now, we're going to have some green onions that I chopped up. We're going to throw a little bit of that on there. Put some to the side because I'm going to use that for later on. We're going to mix all of that up. Once again, everything stays consistent. So now I'm going to use a 1/2 bag of that sharp cheddar cheese, y'all, and a 1/2 bag of that mozzarella shredded cheese, y'all, because I'm going to save those 2 bags for later. Now we're going to mix all of that up because we want it to get cheesy as possible. It needs to be cheesy. The mission is cheesy. Make it cheesy. So we're going to make it cheesy. Now we're going to re-cheese it with some sharp cheddar shredded cheese back on top and some low sodium mozzarella cheese on top to finish that off. And y'all remember where I had them green onions? Yeah, the rest of them green onions we dropping on there. Not that one I just picked yet. We ain't get that out of there. But the rest of those, we're going to drop that on there. And it should look like that. Boing. And now here is the actual results. That looks fire, bro. I just realized that I didn't record no sound during this take, and it's very unfortunate because I really wanted y'all to hear the reaction that we gave off trying that dip. Being this was the second time me making a dip, man, I'm proud of myself. I executed everything. Cheesiness. This is definitely for the cheesy lovers. Something to throw down when you got a game on a Sunday, Monday, or Thursday. Invite the friends over. Nice, good little easy dish to whip up, and they'll be loving it, man. So make sure y'all leave a comment down below on what y'all want to see me cook next. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, send this to a family or a friend. But with that being said, love you guys, and until next time, peace.